In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a team calendar in Slack. If your team keeps dates in Google Calendar or Outlook, this method is the most popular way to bring those events right into Slack, perfect for things like vacation schedules or project deadlines, without asking people to leave the conversation. First, install the Calendar app from the Slack app directory. Open the directory, search for Google Calendar or Outlook Calendar, and add the one your team uses to your workspace. During installation, Slack may prompt you to approve permissions or confirm the workspace where the app will live. That's normal. It simply allows the app to read your shared calendars and post summaries. If your workspace requires admin approval, just submit the request and continue once it's approved. Next, add the calendar app to the specific channel where you want updates to appear. Go to that channel and invite the bot by typing a quick slash command, slash invite at Google Calendar or slash invite at Outlook Calendar. Bringing the bot into the channel gives it permission to post there, which is what makes the summaries visible to everyone. You can do this in a new channel dedicated to team scheduling or in an existing project channel, depending on how your team likes to work. Now configure the notifications so you control what gets posted. Open the Calendar app's Home tab in Slack, click Settings, and choose Channel Notifications. Select the channel you just invited the app to, then pick the specific shared calendar you want to share, maybe Team PTO, Marketing Team Events, or Project Alpha deadlines. Finally, choose the cadence that fits your team. A daily summary for quick, every morning visibility, or a weekly overview if you prefer planning at the start of the week. Summaries include upcoming event titles and times so people can scan the schedule at a glance and click through for details. Once saved, you're set. The app will automatically post on the schedule you chose, and anyone in the channel will see the updates. No extra setup required on their end. If plans change, you can revisit the app's Home tab and adjust the channel, calendar, or summary frequency at any time. This streamlined setup keeps your team aligned, reduces calendar back and forth, and puts the most important dates where collaboration already happens, right in Slack. One tip, double check that you're selecting a shared team calendar rather than a personal one, so the posts stay relevant and noise-free. If your team spans time zones, the summaries follow the calendar's time settings, helping everyone interpret event times consistently.